Hey guys, good afternoon and welcome to my new vlog. So now I came back from my school, as you can see, and now I'm at Mango, and my pop used to give always soya chunk or something like that soya chunk, and Mango learned how to catch in his mouth, and also I was trying to throw ball, tennis ball, and he catched it 2 times, and yeah, I'm very happy that my father teached him new training, and yeah, and I just now I came from my school, and now it's 4:35, and I'm so tired, and it was also raining. I was not feeling cold, but my mother insisted me that wear this uh, hoodie type, but there's no hoodie, but it's hoodie type, and let's see what happens, and let's see what's the plan today, because it's raining. I can't go to my mama's house, so let's see what to do, and I can do before my birthday, after my birthday. It's same, only a little change, because some balloons are doing dum dum dum, and very some few balloons, and yeah, and I like this bedsheet also, as you can see. Nice, no? That panda is nice, and the doggy is also nice, and this cowie is also nice, and that bunny is also nice. That catty is also nice, and yeah, I'll fresh up and come now, and I'll meet you after a fresh up, guys, actually. So now I'll meet you, so do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, which is RIDDHI vlogs. So guys, now we came out to buy our groceries and all, and I had to buy my pens, so that's why I came, and Mango and my Parinana are in our house, and now we came to buy our all house groceries and all. So let's see what we'll search and what we'll buy the vegetables and all. So when I reach my stationery shop, I'll see you. Till then, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, which is RIDDHI vlogs. So I'll meet you, and now we are passing through Amama's house. So my house and Amama's house is very 2 minutes, 1 minute to Amama's house, so it's very near, and yeah, let's see what happens and all. So I'll meet you there. So we reached Gandhi Bazaar, and now and we can't see one Gadi also of vegetables, because it is raining continuously from which time, Mama? It's raining from morning, like 7:30, 7 o'clock. From that time it's raining continuously, and I'm not able to see one vegetables Gadi also vehicle. So when we were coming, that time I couldn't log, but when we were coming, all Gadi was shut down with that blue tarpaul, and I don't know how they will do sell the vegetables in rain, standing in the rain and all. So it's very difficult for them. So it's very loss, and yeah, that's what I was gonna tell you people, and see let's see what special we'll get today, and we'll see what. So guys, I reached my mama's house. So now I'll show you what Gadi is doing, and Gadi is reading Sai Chotra and she's reading, and let's not disturb her. And it is still raining very very heavily. Continuously it's raining, guys. I don't know why. Really full it's raining, and let's see what happens. So guys, this is kajaya made from my mama, and it's awesome, guys, awesome. And I love her foods and her taste and all. So I love to eat one more. So after I eat, I think I'll go call Arman and we'll play something, and yeah, so I'll eat and come. So guys, we came home before 10 minutes only, but I couldn't vlog because there were so many things to carry and all. So that's why I couldn't help, and it was raining also heavily. Now also it's raining. It's not stopping, only continuously it's raining. So let's see Mango. What is Mango doing? So this is Mango eating now, and yeah, let's end the vlog, guys. चैनल पर नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब कर दो, और वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक कर दो. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट व्लॉग पे. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय.